Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com and this is another comic book mystery box. What I do on these is I go through a comic book mystery box, unbox it and have a look at it for the first time. Dave the Dragon's with us today. He's cool, he is. He's going to help us with this, and I've got Dave the Dragon with me because we're looking at this, which is a Zenescope mystery box from comic-box.co.uk, and one of their series is Fairy Tales. So little Dave the Dragon should be right at home with this one. Yeah. So let's go and have a look at this. See what we got. So little Dave the Dragon, he's up there. Look, he's going to behave himself. Actually, I might put him. No, he can't be there, can he? He's eating the Cintiq. Yeah. So before we get into this one, I'll put links to everything in the description if you want to go and get it. This is £15, £1.50 a comic. Now I believe this is actually a new one. They've only just started doing these. There's Zenescope, and what I've noticed is I love Zenescope comics. I've been picking up a lot of them from the comic shop for 50p and a pound. So I thought, let's see what we get in here. So I always do like a little wish list, which is 3 things I'd love to get out of this mystery box. The first thing, I'd like to get a Robyn Hood issue, and I've put ... one shot. Because I've noticed that Robyn Hood does a lot of one shots. Actually, Zenescope do a lot of their comics are one shots, which is why I like them as well, because it means you can just get in. Well, the bloke in the comic shop, he says you get in and you get out or something. What was it he said? One shots. He had a little catchphrase for it. But I like the one shots as well. Number 2, the Grimm Fairy Tale comic. I'd love to get anything from the Grimm Fairy Tale series, like the universe. Issue number 1. And as a bonus, it'd be nice to get a sexy variant cover. So I'll come back to that at the end and see if we get that. And let's get straight into this one. I'm really excited for this. Last week I looked at the Dynamite one, and I was a little tiny bit disappointed. But once again, we get the beautiful packaging. So these don't come in bags or boards, but I feel like they really look after them. Wherever they're like keeping all their comics, you can tell they're looking after them, which is nice. I do wonder to myself, do they sort of bag up these comics before you order them? Like, do they have like a bunch of these sat on a shelf somewhere, or do they make them up as you order them? Like, go through their comics and pick out the I'm getting excited already. I'm not allowed to look. Look at this, look. Some of the comics I got from the comic shop, they had this on the back, and I just think that alone is worth it. I would buy the comic just for the background. I need to have a drink first, because it's quite... I'm getting nervously excited. Yay! Straight away, issue number 38 of Grimm Fairy Tales, the Dark Book. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, I forgot to say something actually. If you go through the listing on their website, well, it said something quite. I thought it was quite sort of funny. But if you go onto their website, they've got the thingy there. What it says is, each box contains a mix of 10 comics featuring comics from Zenescope publishers. And it says at the bottom, we would recommend these comics to fans over 18, as they can sometimes be a bit raunchy. Yeah. So we like raunchy. That's what I'm thinking. Got a nice thick cover, that one. That's what it looks like inside. Here, little piggy. Got a little pigster. I like that one. Oh look, we've got, hey look, We've got 4 comics with that on the background. That's Robyn Hood, I think. A nice anime style of Robyn Hood. Plop. Got another Grimm Fairy Tales. 2020 annual, cool. So this is like a sort of a one shot. Wonder who he is. That's quite cool, that is. I don't normally like. I prefer covers like that, where you've got like the one character. This one's a bit hectic, but sometimes that can be cool because it pulls you in, because you start looking to see, and you start seeing things that you wouldn't have noticed else. This one's got something inside of it, I think. Grimm Fairy Tales one shot. I like that one. Look at that! Look at that cover. Look. Oh yeah, we've got Robyn Hood here. Yeah, and this lady. I don't know what she's called, but she's actually on one of my most wanted comic book covers video. I love that cover. That is cool, that is. A Van Helsing. What's it? Oh, whoa. Look, we've got some stickers. We've got some little collectible card things. Oh, yeah. I love that. I don't think anything's going to beat that. Because what we've got there is we've got all of them together. Oh, that's a nice one. Issue 39. We had 38 before, didn't we? I think we had 38. Yeah. So we've got issue 38 and 39. That is beautiful, that cover. It's like something out of Dragon Age. What lies within. I like that. I really like that. There's the orange one. I got some comics with that on. Oh, cool. Part 10 of 12. Grimm Fairy Tales. The Dream Eater Saga. Look at the way it's like they're in a dust storm or something. Issue 64, that is. That's cool. Yeah. Issue number 1. Unbound. Love that. That is it. It's all about the character. And look at that way they've got that in the background. Look, like it creates the I was going to say like the ambience. That's cool, that is. Look at the way she's got a little bit of red in her hair. Oh, that's cool, that is. Look, we've got like some sort of monster bloke. Huh, look, he's had his arms ripped off. Cool. That's my favourite so far, that is. Ooh, got another Grimm Fairy Tales. 63. What was the last one? 64. Yeah, I said on last week's mystery box thing, I love the way comic-box.co.uk, they put like runs together. So you get like a bunch of comics all together. It's an interesting cover, because yeah, for me I think she might be possessed or something. Feels to me like she's sort of possessed. Like she's about to turn into a demon or something. Oh, we've only got 3 left. See, I want this to go on forever. No, yay! Issue 23 of the Grimm Fairy Tales. Oh, I love that. Josh Burns did the artwork on that. I love the art. I love that. It's beautiful. That's my favourite cover. I absolutely love that. That's cool. Look, it looks quite cool as well. That's the best one. We've got 2 left. Look. It's another Grimm Fairy Tales. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's cool as well. Issue 73. She reminds me of Bayonetta there. Oh, what a cool art style. With cover B, this one. That's cool, that is. Almost looks a little bit like she's got a lightsaber. Still my favourite is that one. Oh, the last one. It's not fair, is it? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it like, so I can't see what it is either. Actually, I'll do it this way. Oh, yeah. Issue 38, The Dark Book. Oh, yeah. Is that a cosplay cover or a painting? I can't work out. If it's a painting, it's the most beautiful thing ever. I think it is a painting. What else? A nice bum as well, look. Well, yeah, I'm going to buy some more of these. I got exactly what I hoped I would. Sexy covers. What's my favourite one? I like that one as well. I mean, look how beautiful these are. It's just, they're all, I love that one. Can you see that one? Hey, that's nice as well. Oh, I love that one. Yeah, it's quite hard to pick a winner on these. Look how beautiful these are, look. I love it. That's cool. They're all cool, that's the thing. Yeah. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that one. Let's have a look at my list. I wanted a Robyn Hood issue. I didn't get a Robyn Hood issue, but I did get Robyn Hood on one of the covers. So I'm sort of happy with that. Grimm Fairy Tales. I got loads of Grimm Fairy Tales, which is brilliant. Because it's a series I want to really collect. And they don't have many in the comic shop in the £1 bins. So when they do, I grab them. I wanted an issue number 1. I got an issue number 1 there with Unbound. And I wanted one-shots. I got a one-shot as well. And I wanted a sexy variant cover. Well, I would say that's a sexy, because that's cover C. So that is a variant cover. Brilliant. What does Dave the Dragon think of these? He's well happy, he is. I would say that's my favourite. I don't know though, because I like that one as well. I'd say that one's my favourite. I think so. I love that. So I really hope you enjoyed that. Dave the Dragon had fun with it. Look at that one, look. That's cool, isn't it? Robyn Hood. I shall see you later for another one.